Here we are at Top Down Products. We're going to do an install of our Heelboards. These are a floorboard that allows you to configure the design for the cutout based on our stocks, as well as different types of hydrographic layers underneath of it. And when you combine the two, you get a unique look for your bike. We're going to be doing an install here on this Road Glide Special. This is a scorched orange paint job, and what we're going to do is we're going to install these Heelboards that are gloss black to match the theme of the bike, and the orange flame. So I'm going to run through a quick install on here so you can see how they work, or how they install. They do mount onto the stock mountings with the Harley-Davidson. No additional hardware required. Okay, so we're going to go through the install on the Heelboard. Now, keeping in mind, this does allow you to remove your stock boards and put our Heelboards on with no additional hardware. So we're going to remove the stock hardware from the floorboards, and I've already loosened these up just to speed things up a little bit. There's our stock shoulder bolts that come with the Harley boards. So we're going to take that off, put them to the side. Take our Heelboards and put them over top of the mounting. One bolt and nut. And our second shoulder bolt and the nut. And just tighten those up. There you go. So now we're mounted on to our stock mounts. There's your stock board. So now I want to go through and just show you the value of the Heelboards. Not only do you get a nice decorative floorboard that matches the theme of your bike, with your standard floorboard rest. They're a little bit oversized to your standard boards, but then they also give you the additional ability to have a place to rest your heels while you're on those longer rides. They give you a nice stretching position. They really limit the kind of the need to push up against the highway pegs during the rides down the highway. Gives you a good resting position. Kind of relieves a lot of the pressure in your legs and your back. But hopefully this install helped you understand a little bit more about the Heelboard and how you can get the benefits of the Heelboard. If you have an interest in learning more about the product, visit us at topdownproducts.com. Thank you.